Hey everyone, I'm Christine Zerek, and today I wanted to share two magical words with you. And those two magical words are thank you. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Thank you. They're so simple and yet so profound and so effective, I would say. So these are the two words I've grown up using ever since I was a child, and for me it just comes naturally because I truly have gratitude in my heart for anyone and everyone who is always doing something for me or for anybody else, you know. But I've noticed, especially of late, whenever I say thank you to a lot of people, they look at it as a sense of formality and they say, don't be so formal. And I have to actually stop them and say, I'm not being formal. It's just gratitude. So I just wanted to share that something as simple as saying thank you to anybody can really go a long way, because who doesn't like to be appreciated, right? So everybody wants to know that they are important or they feel special or they appreciate for what they do. So this can go a long way. And just remember, just say this. It doesn't take much. Just say this to anyone. It could be somebody in your family. It could be your colleagues. It could be the people who are doing work for you, whether it's your maid or at the grocery store. It doesn't matter. Just learn to say thank you out of a heartfelt gratitude. And of course, it doesn't stop there. You can say thank you to your pet. You can say thank you to the universe, to God, to nature, to anything and everything. Because the more you show gratitude for what you have in your life, the more you're going to be blessed with. So this is something I just wanted to share, a quick sharing. I've also done a podcast on this. It's a short story, and it's my first podcast, so I'd like all of you to hear that. You can hear that on Spotify as well as Anchor.fm. I'll share the link below. You can hear that and let me know what you think. So just remember, the two magical words are as simple as thank you.